Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm on a different game. You guys might not be expecting this or ever expected this from my channel, which is usually just skits and Roblox games. Today we're doing a challenge on Subway Surfers. The video ends, the video ends once I die, and I'm gonna start this timer as soon as okay, pause. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's resume. Let's see how long I can last, guys. And yep, it's more of gonna be a talkative video since I'm just gonna be going through this. How's y'all's day been? I'm actually partially new. I wouldn't say new, but I haven't played the game in a long time. Okay. Okay, so comment down below what's your favorite game like this, 3 area running type thing, because I know there's some ripoffs, but some of the ripoffs have become pretty famous. Okay, obviously I don't want to die or else the video ends. I don't want it to end. So, oh crap, that was dumb. For some reason I thought I had the shoes. This is challenging my skills, and also I made a brand new account just to start making just maybe start making more videos on this. Cause I'm partially, so I'm a mixture of everything. I speedrun, I stream, I make videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, things on Facebook. I'm also a Reddit memer, and I'm just a normal gamer on my off time. I also play basketball on my off time, so. Oh yeah, I actually did want to warn you guys, during summer-ish time is going to be a break, because the fact that I will be doing basketball season again. Well, not during this, you know what I mean. When basketball season comes around, I will probably take a good break for a while, since I will be in basketball in practice, and I'd be exhausted when I get home. But I promise I will at least stream or something. I wouldn't play you guys like that. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, we're actually lasting a pretty while. My biggest run is a mil. Alright, go. There we go. Alright, let's pull board. Let's get some more coins, because if I don't get far enough, I'm going to delete this video, and I'm just gonna film another one. Let's keep going. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, boom. Oh, guys, it's starting to speed up. Once you get past like 10K, it starts getting faster. I am playing this mobilely, so if you hear like any sounds or anything bad in the audio, it's either my background or it's actually like me like moving my hand around with my thumbs. Okay, we're good. We're running out of boards. We're gonna have to savor our boards for a while. Crap. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. That would have almost ruined our run. Boom. Okay, nice. We're good. We good. Okay. Oh no. I almost swiped right, which would have meant I would have probably stressed out. And, oh my god. No, guys, I'm gonna have to end it here. I lasted for, wow, 7 minutes, 7 whole minutes, guys.